Patrick, his name is. I'm not an expert on his name, so I'm pretty well. Press start. Yes.
You went backwards. You go back this way. I'll go left.
Right. There you go.
So that would be if this were on one side. This will go into it.
Yeah, but you gotta tap here. Yeah, that's left. You gotta metal to metal.
Oh, okay.
Nice job, guys. Success! You guys worked so hard and it worked.